Hey, welcome to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and we are continuing the 12 weeks of Christmas. Yes, ladies, this is our next album. And sorry I haven't done any. Thanksgiving was pretty hectic and everything, so I'm back on track, ladies. Yay! So this is our next album we are going to make. It is the recipe album, Folio album. You will need some type of craft text. Because that's what I use for the binding, okay, is the craft text on both sides. So you'll need some type of craft text. You will need pocket pages. Simple Stories has them. Your Hobby Lobby has them by Paper Studio. So totally up to you wherever you want to get them. And they measure the, let's see, where's my ruler? Here it is. 7 by 8.5, I believe. Yes, 7 by 8.5. Okay. So that's, you'll need some of those. And then you'll need your design paper. I'm going to use Prima Marketing Amber Moon. I want to do it in something different besides the recipe part, okay? I want to see how this turns out. I don't know if I'll still use it for recipes or, you know, fall pictures and Thanksgiving pictures. I'm not for sure yet. But I will be using the Amber Moon by Prima Marketing. And then you'll need some coordinating cardstock. And I will put the link down below where you can get all this stuff. It is an affiliate link. If you go through my link, I could earn, you know, a cup of coffee. It's not very much, but every little bit helps, and I love coffee. Okay, so you can make it just like mine. I had used the Homemade with Love by Cartabella. I did use just one paper pack, but I had to be pretty diligent in how I used the paper in this album. So you might need 2 paper packs if you're going to use this. I mean, if you do it just like mine, you can do it, because I just have 1 paper pack in here and use it, and I use coordinating cardstock. Okay. So that is the supplies that you are going to need to make this. And I will have the cutting guide on my website. Just go to scrappinitup.com, and it's scrappinitup.com, to get your cutting guide for this. And go to my website and then scroll down. It says 12 Weeks of Christmas. Click on it, and then it takes you to the files that you can download. There's the Echo Park Folio, there's the Expandable Spine Folio, and this one will now be in there, ladies. Alright, so make sure, even if you're not going to make it, and, you know, make it right now, go ahead and get it downloaded, okay? So you'll always have it, alright? Because this one here really is a fabulous album. Fabulous album, ladies. And I'm excited about making this in something different besides the recipe album. So, let's just do a real quick walkthrough. So, you have an inch spine on each. Of course, this one, you know, it can expand to an inch. Okay. Wait, it's more than an inch. Just a second, ladies. I think it's 1.5 inches. Yes, 1.5 inches on both sides. And there's the back. Okay. I had to piece it in because I didn't have any big sheets of paper even left. Excuse me, ladies. I think I'm coming down with a cold. Alright, so then you have this. And if I remember right, this album will hold over 100 of your recipe cards. Alright. What it makes for a great gift, you know, to put all your recipes in it. Give it to your son or your daughter for Christmas. And, it, you know, you can put photos in it, you know. So like here, you could put a picture of your grandma cooking, you know, Thanksgiving dinner, or your daughter cooking Thanksgiving dinner, and write about it, or write a recipe here. And, you know, your grandma's favorite mashed potato recipe. Yeah, it's pretty versatile, ladies. Okay, so you have a nice, big, generous pocket here where you could put your magazine articles that you know you've clipped out and you just haven't done nothing with them yet. You can put them here. Then you have a nice, generous pocket here for recipe cards. Oh, you will need a piece of acetate if you're going to make this. So yes, you will need a piece of acetate, okay? And my link down below will take you to Amazon where you can get all the supplies that you need to make this, okay? And they just fit back in here. And that shuts up. Now we open it up, ladies. Here's the other side. You have a double stacked. Well, you got three pockets here, ladies. Okay. Oops. So 3 pockets here. I won't put my cards back in. And then you've got 2 pockets here, so you can put a photograph here, or you know, a recipe. And then this opens up. So you have some more pockets for some more recipes. This thing is just loaded with pockets, ladies, to hold all your recipe cards. You get another nice, generous pocket here, ladies. And then this flips open, and you have another pocket over here for more recipes and a place for photos. Okay. And that just closes up. Oops. That's a spee. There we go. All right, now we have the middle part, okay? So again, a nice, generous pocket again. And then you have what I'm calling my, it's almost like putting a quilt together. It's what I'm calling my patchwork pages, okay? I just use my scraps and put it together just like a quilt. So you could put a picture here, write a recipe, put some pictures here, and then here you have, again, another nice, generous pocket, ladies, to put some. Let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3. I got 4 recipe cards in here. And you can put a picture here. Then we have a nice, generous pocket again over here. Okay. So then on both these sides, you have double stacked pockets. On both sides, ladies. Okay? So you can put some magazine articles or your recipe cards. Just totally up to you. It's that way on both sides. Okay? And then we have another patchwork page here. Again, it's just threw together, ladies. Okay? And I will walk you through that process of how to do this, okay? Then we have our pocket pages inside here to where I put the recipe one, you know, the 4x6, okay? And then I put the one that has 4, and then 4, okay? And then you have this, and this, and then I use the full sheet ones. So you could put pictures in here or write, you know, a recipe. And I just use stickers from the collection just to kind of decorate them up. Okay, and I left the back plain because I didn't want to bulk this up any here because this all should be kind of laying flat. Okay, and these just fit right back down in here like this. So I'm pretty curious how this is going to turn out in something besides recipes. Now I may make go ahead and put recipe cards in it, you know, but I'm going to decorate it with the Amber Moon by Prima Marketing. So this is the recipe album that we are going to be making, ladies. I hope you guys make this right along with me. We will be starting this Monday. Okay. So Monday, expect expect the first video. I may release it Sunday morning. I'm not for sure. Either Sunday or Monday, we will start this. I may do it Sunday. So we will be starting this. Excuse me, ladies. So go ahead and get your cutting guide from scrappinitup.com. I hope you ladies follow me on this, and I hope you guys have fun making this, because it really is a fun folio album to make. And I mean, it will really hold all your photos or recipe cards, whichever one that you prefer to make this in. So go grab your cutting guides, and we will start this. I'll probably just release one Sunday. We'll just plan on Sunday, and we'll make it. And that's it, ladies. So I hope you make it with me, and so join me. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, or please hit the notification button so you'll never miss out on my uploaded videos, ladies. So hey, we will be talking later. Have a great day. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.